This is international language testing system powered by IDP to assess the level of candidate. My name is Manju Singh. Okay. I'm here to conduct the speaking of candidate number 110902.
Yes, sir.
So what is your full name?
My full name is Nishan Singh.
Okay. So does the name have any special meaning?
So it's meaning of like religious names in Punjab, religious name.
Okay. Do you think that your name is very common amongst the people in your country?
No, sir. It's a very unique name because sometimes people hearing some normal names, but it's unique.
Okay. Are you a student or working somewhere?
Yes, I am a student, sir. I am learning some spoken classes.
Okay. Tell me about your studies.
Now I study under the institute and I learn English classes, grammar classes.
Okay. What is your future goal?
My future goal is going to abroad and settle in abroad.
Okay. So what type of activities you like to do in your leisure time?
Sir, in my leisure time I do some listening music, playing games, video games, outdoor games. Yes, sir.
Okay. What type of music do you like to listen?
Like Punjabi music, beat music. I listen some beats and enjoying very well.
Okay. How often do you like to listen music?
It's depend upon my mood. When I'm so tired, when I listen to music.
Okay. What type of music is most popular amongst the youngsters in your country?
Youngster like love music, romantic music. They love international music, like which popular music.
Okay. What type of music people used to play on weddings and on special occasions in your country?
People listen some on weddings, like marriage songs, on couple, suit on couple, and occasions they related to occasion like Diwali, Holi.
So why music is so important in your life?
No, sir, music is not important in my life. But sometimes we feel tired, upset. Then I listen music and release my stress under process.
Have you ever attended any live music concert in your life?
Yes, sir. I attend recently. I attend live music in my nearby ground. There are organized a live concert of Punjabi famous singer.
Okay. Do you learn to play any kind of musical instrument also?
Yes, sir. I learned to play harmonium, piano. These type instruments I learned.
Okay. Do you like any kind of Western music also?
No, sir. Because I not interested in. That's why I not learn that music.
In your school days, is music an important subject or just optional?
No, sir. It's optional. Music is not related with study. It's related with passion.
Okay. Now it's time for your two card topic.
Okay, sir.
Okay. This is your cue card. So you have 1 minute to prepare.
Sir, I use
Yes.
Can I see question? Only question. Well, many times I do some work as a team. Here I would like to talk about one of moment when I work with the team. Last year, me and my friends, we are decorating a hall on a religious place. Then we are together decorate the hall. We are put some flowers on walls, some lights on, green light, yellow, etc. lights are on stage. We are yes, we do some activities like organize a program. There I was leader, and all my friends always suggest by me. I advised them for doing activities like designs of walls, light system, music system, and unique pattern on walls, and arrangement of chairs, arrangement of food, arrangement of drinks, and we all over contribute in that program. I feel very good as a work leader, and my friends always support me when I give an direction for an work, and they easily agree with my decision, and I feel very good.
Are team activities popular in a community around you?
Yes, sir. Because a good team leader is always work hard, and same with his team. When they gives a good direction for team, that they complete work easily.
What kind of qualities can you learn in a team?
Respect to each other, and always positivity, love for each other, and teamwork, discipline, and respect.
Do you think team leaders are important in a team?
Yes, sir. Team leaders, because mainly team leader is and punish every who fault. They easily out any disgusting man who spoil our team, and leader is always see who can deserve the place in team.
Do you think employers are motivated better by team activities than doing it themselves?
No, sir. Employers are good because themselves some people not experience for work. Employers always see the past, and they give good manners to do the work.
So why do companies practice team activities?
So please rephrase it.
Why do companies practice team activities?
Companions?
Yes.
Yes, it's a good choice because the companions are easily solve any problem, and they easily discuss about anything what they cannot do.
Okay. Why do you think sports teams perform so well?
Yes, it's sports team are good because they know how to play with opponent team, and how a team is know it's a fault of opposite team. Then they discuss about on and play better.
Okay. What kind of sports is your favorite?
So cricket is my favorite sports, and when I saw any match and feel so energetic.
Okay. Do you play any kind of water sports also?
No, sir. I cannot swim. I fear for it. Swim.
Okay. Do you think that water sports are quite dangerous sometimes?
Yes, sir. Because sometimes in water, underwater, people feel suffocation and breathe problem. They face sometimes they not a breathe good, then they feel very bad.
Okay. You can go.
Okay, thank you.